At this point, it's above me, okay? I don't,
Merry Christmas, baby. Sure did treat me nice.
Well, hey, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Outre. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now, y'all know it's still Wigmas, so we have another giveaway in the pinned comment with the help of Outre. So if you want to check that out, make sure you do so. It is also Sip and Slay, and unfortunately, your girl is still drinking her water because I still got a cough. The wine had to wait, so I just went on and put it in my red Solo cup so I can feel a little extra, like I'm sipping on some things. But anyway, for today's video, we are giving you a cheap, affordable, bundle-esque type of look. When you add the esque on it, it's like, oh, it's like bundles. Most of us are tapped out, so you know, this may be where we sitting right now. And guess what? That's okay, because we still gonna get a looks. So before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Outre. It is a unit Rosy Waves. I got her in the color 1B. This is what her card is looking like, you know, super cute. It does come in some special colors, so if you want to check those out, you can. It does have that, you know, gray family down there. I know some of y'all be asking me about, you know, the gray wigs. There they are right there. There's not really a lot of human hair gray wigs, so you're gonna find these joints in the synthetic wigs, okay? So Outre Converti Caps, they got them, all right? So if you wanna check those out, you can definitely do that. When you open up the pamphlet, you see all the different styles you can do for this unit, as well as how to do them. So if this review is not good enough for you, there you go right there, okay? They give you the directions right on the card. I need to finish up my shopping, so I'm in a rush. So this is, this is clutch. Now, if you're new to Converti Caps, so you don't know what they are pretty much half wigs that lay flat, and they also have a drawstring that you can turn into a ponytail. So you can do some things with these joints, okay? Just like all the others, it comes with the comb across the front, the 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable drawstring to tighten it down into a ponytail. So again, super easy, nothing crazy. The texture for this joint definitely feels like a thick, is there texture in here? It has a little texture. I'm not gonna put on my wig grip yet because it does have the drawstring, so I can tighten that down to my head how I want to. So first we're gonna do the full out look. We're gonna see if that works for me. Okay, she cute. Okay, something simple, but this right here, that's not gonna work for me. So we gotta brush, we gotta brush her out, y'all, to give her, you know, a little bit more volume. Let me go ahead and, I got a little something right there in the middle. Wait a minute. Okay, let's make sure that's hidden. Brush it on out. It's kind of like a little Bodywave unit. Okay, if you can't afford the human hair bundles, listen. You better get these synthetic wigs, child. Now I'm gonna tighten it down in the back so I can make sure she's not gonna move on me. Then I'm gonna use my gel. Any gel you have is good as long as it doesn't have any alcohol in it. The gel around the edges. All my products will be listed in the description box so you can check that out. I should have put this on before I put this wig on, but here we are. All right, moving on back like that. Let me fix my edges really quick. I want a little swoop-de-doop right here, just a little bit. Let me see you swoop your edges just a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Okay, so then I'm getting a little bit of shedding with this unit. Not too much though. I mean, for under $20, I can deal with it. Stop putting high expectations on these synthetic wigs. These are $20. $20. Stop it. Okay, bundles. Change out my earrings because I want my hoops, y'all. The hoops just give me, you know, that vibe. She got it. Yeah, that's what I want. I want the hoops. Put on my lip gloss. Ooh, this is pretty. I'm missing something. Oh, my Toppik. Okay, Toppik, a little teeny. I don't need a lot. Just a little bit to fill that in. Uh-oh, not right there. Just a little bit. You gotta keep brushing and brushing, brushing and brushing. A little right here. Brush that in. I don't want it to be streaky, so I gotta be careful that I don't mess this up. I think it's time to get another one. Do a little bit more gel right there, just to press all that in. And it's okay if you don't have edges. You know they sell those now. They sell those by the sheets. So you can go ahead and try that out if you want to. I have yet to try that, and I probably won't because I'm not really, you know, a big swooper. But you know, they cute, so they may work for you, okay? I'm gonna keep using my Toppik until I can't use it no more. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, let me scooch back so y'all can see how this is looking. I mean, y'all, under $20 for this joint? Who is gonna check me, huh? And he can touch this one, okay? He can touch this one. It feels pretty comfy on my neck, so if it's comfy on my neck, it'll be comfy on his. You hear me? Yeah. If it gets too hot, pull it back in a ponytail like that. Okay, what's wrong with a ponytail? Nothing is wrong with a ponytail. With my bow? With my bow? Well, let me just use my daughter's bow right here. Let me just do that. Now wait a minute. Here it is. Oh well. Okay, do a little ponytail like that if you don't want to, you know, have all the hair out. Cute. Nothing, you know, nothing crazy. Put it up in a claw clip like this. All you're doing is twisting it up. Okay. You don't got to do a whole bunch of styling if you don't want to. Put the headband on and get out the house, child. What we thinking? What we thinking? I like it all down. Do a higher ponytail. All right, this is cute. It's cute, y'all. Some of y'all don't like the cheaper wigs, and I don't understand that. At this point, it's above me. Okay, I don't. If you don't want to save coin, just say that. There's no way you can hate on this wig. None. Under $20 for bundles. Child, get your drink and have a seat, okay? Wigs like this are wigs that I wear on a daily. I love my human hair wigs. They're great, okay? But these easy joints are what you will see me in if I'm outside my house. Yeah, that's me with the half wig $20 joint. I'm rocking these every day because they're easy, okay? I don't gotta put a whole bunch of effort into them. I don't gotta define no curls. I don't gotta press no hair. They don't smell. Like, come on, get the wigs. I'm probably gonna rock this one for the rest of the weekend because why not? Do y'all see this? Lemon squeezy Kie made it easy. Again. If the luster's a little bit too high for you, spray some dry shampoo on it, okay? Dull it down really quick. I don't see no gapping up here on the top. Just gotta kind of fix the hair, make sure it's going in the same direction. Now, it will snag and tangle eventually because it's a $20 synthetic wig. Woosah. But I'm not getting none of that right now. Oh, it's a little hiccup right there, but I'm not getting none of that right now. It looks good, y'all. I like how this looks on me. The vibes are always immaculate. Okay, listen. If you want affordable bundles that comes ready to wear, Converti Cap. I'm trying to save you coin. Okay, the holiday season is tapped out. You hear me? Daddy Papa is tired of you. Sugar Bae is tired of you. The sneaky link is tired of you. And you don't even ask him for money. Go ahead and buy this one for yourself. But anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.